On this episode, we leave beautiful Lake Garda behind and begin our trek southward through Italy to Tuscany, and we see an amazing sunset over the Chianti vineyards. We visit the ancient walled city of Monteriggioni and walk its narrow cobblestone streets. Then we're off to Siena, where we are awed by the beautiful piazzas, churches, and architecture. We hope you enjoy the video.
Hey there, I'm Rose.
And I'm Dan, and we are the Half-Assed Travelers.
Hey, Half-Assers!
Hey.
Well, we had an eventful day today. We got up this morning in the spa hotel up by the Lake Garda region, and we drove all day. Today was a travel day.
Yep.
We went through tons of vineyards, saw olive trees, the hills.
All kinds of neat stuff.
We drove all the way down past Florence, south of Florence, to the Chianti region, and now we're in a town called Siena. Siena?
Yeehaw, we're in the country.
Yeah. We're in a bed and breakfast. We'll show you pictures of that pretty soon, but right now we've been given a lot of places we need to go see. The sun's about to set. We're going to see
It's supposed to be really beautiful.
Yeah, we're going to see as much as we can.
So we're going.
Let's
See
go.
ya.
We're running.
Bye.
Well, it's fantastic. Absolutely beautiful. We made it up here just in time for the sunset, as you may have seen.
We're in a mega vineyard right next to where, honey?
This
What's
big
over there?
castle. Yeah, we may have fractured a few driving laws on the way up here, but we made it without hitting anything or anybody, so no harm, no foul.
Nope. Amazing.
But, yeah, this is an amazing place, but be prepared because we are getting ready to drive up the center of it, or down the center of Italy, visiting as many places as we can between here and Naples.
It's going to be a whirlwind tour.
Join us.
Join us.
We are coming to you live from what the heck is the name of this place? Some mountain something?
Yes.
We'll call it the mountain with the big castle on it. I'll put the name of it down on the bottom of the screen because I cannot pronounce the name. Monteriggioni or something like that. But anyway,
something Italian.
Yes, last night we had a fantastic dinner in Siena, or no, Pianella. And now we're at this place. We're gonna walk around these streets and see what we can see.
Yep. Come on.
Well, there we left the town of Monteriggioni, but I'm sure we're pronouncing that wrong, but that was the name of the town, Monteriggioni. And now we are in the city of Siena, and what a beautiful city. You see the square is gorgeous, the churches, the streets. I mean, it's just so nice strolling around here. The cobblestones are a little tough on the feet, but other than that, it's a beautiful place. We love Tuscany.
We do.
Yeah. Unfortunately, you know, the days just aren't long enough, so we have to go and move on to the next site.
Yep.
Here we go.